Since 1982, the Crime Stoppers Tips Hotline has been a valuable tool in the Kansas City metropolitan area. As part of the Kansas City Metropolitan Crime Commission, of course, we receive anonymous information, which means we don't record our calls, we don't take personal information. All that information is sent to detectives who investigate those tips. If a tip results in an arrest or the filing of charges, people are eligible for up to $2,000 in cash reward money. We never have any face-to-face contact with our tipsters, and of course, the information being anonymous means that those individuals don't have to go to court. A very high percentage of our tips come from drug houses, and of course we are a regional program, so we take information from all over the area. This is not just a Kansas City, Missouri program. We take tips from Kansas as well as Missouri, and drug houses are the highest volume of tip that we receive. So we receive most tips based on a drug location. As far as clearance rates, however, we do publish a newspaper every 3 weeks. It's called Kansas City Most Wanted. You can buy that for $1 at local distribution points throughout the city, mainly convenience stores, including Quick Trip. You can also find it online for free at our website, which is www.kccrimestoppers.com. But those fugitives are the highest percentage of our payouts. Those are active warrants, active felony warrants that individuals have out there. So if you know where these people are, you contact the TIPS hotline, provide us an address, we confirm the warrant, we will give our tipster the code number, and we will immediately turn around and disseminate that tip to the detectives who can respond almost immediately, assuming they're not tied up on something, and make an arrest. So for example, a 30-second phone call where information's been provided could lead to $200 or $300 cash. Pretty good return on your investment of your time in those situations.